everyone, my name is Rysi and today I'm going to take you on a journey through one of the most vital physiological systems in the human body, the cardiovascular system, also known as the circulatory system, the very reason every cell receives oxygen, nutrients and stays alive. The circulatory system is responsible for the systemic transport of oxygen, glucose, amino acids, hormones and metabolic waste products like carbon dioxide and urea. It comprises of three main components: the heart, our margin muscular organ, the blood vessels, which consist of arteries, veins, and capillaries, and the blood, which is a connective tissue composed of plasma, erythrocytes, leukocytes, and thrombocytes. There are two primary circuits: the pulmonary circulation, which facilitates gas exchange in the alveoli of the lungs, and the systemic circulation, which delivers oxygenated blood to peripheral tissues and returns deoxygenated blood back to the heart. This is my cardiac pump model. I constructed it using colored paper to represent the artery and ventricles, cardboard for the pericardium, pipes as blood vessels, syringes, and colored water to stimulate blood. When I press the pump, the fluid flows through the tubes, mimicking systole and diastole, the contraction and relaxation phases of the cardiac cycle. Water is filled in the syringe. If I press it, the water flows through the pipes, mimicking how the blood flows inside the heart. Let me break it down for you. Deoxygenated blood from the systemic veins enters the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cava. It flows into the right ventricle, which contracts to send it through the pulmonary artery to the lungs. Into the pulmonary capillaries, external respiration occurs. Blood absorbs oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Oxygenated blood returns through the pulmonary vein to the left atrium, then into the left ventricle, which ejects into the aorta for systemic distribution. This entire cycle is regulated by cardiac conduction system, including the sinoatrial node, anteventricular node, and the Purkinje fibers, ensuring rhythmic contractions at about 70 to 100 beats per minute in a resting adult. Isn't that fascinating? During physical exercise, sympathetic stimulation increases cardiac output and stroke volume, accelerating oxygen delivery to skeletal muscles. That's why your pulse rate increases. It's a physiological adaptation to increase metabolic demand. Understanding the circulatory system is crucial for recognizing conditions like ischemia and hypertension. Maintaining cardiovascular fitness through exercise and nutrition helps prevent many heart diseases. This model helps you visualize cardiac physiology and vascular dynamics. It's amazing how such a small organ, as small as the size of our own wrist, can power such a big system. Fun fact, our heart beats about 3 billion times over an average lifespan, driven by electrochemical impulses and autonomic regulation. Thank you for watching my project, and I hope you enjoyed exploring the circulatory system as much as I did.